Hello student. In today's session we will start solve other numerical which is based on Chebyshev spacing. Okay. So statement of the numerical is given. The 4-bar mechanism is synthesized by using a 3 precision point. They given that there is a 3 precision point. The problem with the 3 precision or 4 precision points means in any problem if they mention that the precision points or precision position, then problem will solve with the help of Chebyshev spacing. Okay. To generate the function y is equal to x raised to 5. So given what is the given the function? The function is what is the function? Y is equal to x raised to 1.5. Okay. For the range of 1 to 4, they given that the range of x. So we have that the range. What is we write? How we write the range? That is xs means starting of the x to end of the x is given that 1 as to 4 means xs starting is 1 and xf is equal to 4. The range of the x is the given that 1 to 4 is starting xs is equal to 1, xf is equal to 4. The input link is to start from 30 degree and it is to have a range of 90 degree. Means input angle, the angle made by the input link with x-axis is denoted by the theta. So theta, the input link is to start from 30 degree, means starting positions of the theta is 30 degree. So theta s is equal to 30 degree and it is have range of 90 degree, means range of starting to end is 90 degree. Means if we consider the range means starting and this is end, then the range is 90 degree. So this distance is 90, starting is 30, means the given that delta theta is given that 90 degree. Okay, delta theta is given that 90 degree. Now next, the output link is to start at 0 degree and it have a range of 90 degree. The angle made by output link with x-axis is denoted by phi. So phi starting is given that 0 degree and delta of phi is equal to 90 degree. The range means difference between starting and finish. So delta phi is equal to 90 degree. Find the value of x, y, theta and phi corresponding to the 3 precision points. Precision points they given that 3 means n is equal to 3. N is given that 3. So this is the given data. The function is y is equal to x raised to 1.5. Starting of the x is 1. Finish of the x is 4. Starting of the theta is 30 degree and delta theta is equal to 90 degree. Starting of phi is 0 degree, delta phi is equal to 90 degree and n means precision point, that is 3. So we have to find out the x, y, theta and phi for 3 precision points. Okay. So we have formula to find out the x, that is xj is equal to 1/2 into x finished plus x starting minus 1/2 into x finished minus x starting into cos of pi into 2j minus 1 divided by 2n. 2j minus 1 divided by 2n. So this is the formula to find out the value of x at the different positions. So we have to find out the value of 3 precision points, means x1, x2, x3. So j is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 1 half into value of xf. xf is equal to 4. xf is equal to 4 plus x starting is equal to 1 minus 1 half into x starting is equal to 4, x finished is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 into cos of pi. Okay. So j is equal to 1. So 2j minus 1. 2j minus 1 is equal to j is equal to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 and n is equal to 3. So it is equal to 1 divided by 6. N is equal to 3. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So it is equal to 1 by 6. So it is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5 minus 1 half. 4 minus 2 is equal to 3 into cos of pi divided by 6. Pi by 6 means cos of 30. As we put the value, we will get x1 is equal to 1.2. As we put the value here, we will get x1 is equal to 1.2. Now we have to find out the x2. So put j is equal to 2. So x2 is equal to 1 half into 4 plus 1. Put the value of x start, x finish is equal to 4, x starting is equal to 1. So 4 plus 1 minus 1 half into x finish 4, x starting 1 into cos of pi into here j is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So it is 3 divided by n is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So it is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2.5 minus 1 half, that is 3. 3 divided by 1 half, that is equal to 3 divided by 2, that is equal to 1.5 into cos of. So 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2, so it is equal to pi by 2. Cos of pi by 2 is equal to cos of pi by 2 is cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So x2 is equal to 2.5. We will get x2 is equal to 2.5. Okay, x2 is find out by x2 is equal to 2.5. Now x3, put j is equal to 3. So x3 is equal to 1 half into 4 plus 1 minus 1 half into 4 minus 1 into cos of pi into, put j is equal to 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 divided by n is equal to 3 into 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 5 by 6. And so if we put the value of cos of 5 by 6, we will get the value of x3, and x3 is equal to 3.8. We will get x3 is equal to 3.8. So we obtain the value of x1. Here we write x1 is equal to 1.2, x2 is equal to 2.5, and x3 is equal to 3.8. Okay. We have written the value of x1, x2, x3. Now we have to find out the value of y. Once we get the value of x1, x2, x3, we have to find out the value of y. We have a function of y. That is, y is a function of x and it is equal to y is equal to x raised to 1.5. So we have to find out the value of y starting, y finish, and y1, y2, y3. So first of all, we will find out the y starting. So y starting is equal to x starting raised to 1.5. So x starting is equal to this x of the start is equal to 1. So 1 raised to 1.5. So 1 raised to 1.5, that is equal to 1. So ys is equal to 1. Okay, ys is equal to 1. Now we have to find out the value of y1. So y1 is equal to x1 raised to 1.5. So what is the value of x1? x1 is equal to 1.2, 1 raised to 1.5. So y1 is equal to 1.314. So it is equal to y1. Now y2 is equal to x2 raised to 1.5. x2 is equal to 2.5 raised to 1.5. So y2 is equal to value of y2 is equal to 3.952. Now y3 is equal to x3 raised to 1.5. So it is equal to x3 is equal to what? x3 is equal to 3.8. So 3.8 raised to 1.5, and we will get y3 is equal to 7.40. Okay, 7.408. Now we have to find out the y finish. So y finish is equal to x finish raised to 1.5. So x finish is equal to 4 raised to 1.5. So x finish is equal to 8. Y finish is equal to 8. Okay. So we have obtained all the value of y. So we will write here y starting is equal to 1. Y finish is equal to 8. y1 is equal to 1.314. y2 is equal to 3.9528, and y3 is equal to 7.40. So these are the value of y. Okay, now we have to find out they ask that find out the value of x, y, theta and phi corresponding to 3 precision points. Means we have to find out the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. Okay, so we have find out this. So y starting is equal to 1 and y finish is equal to 8. So we can find out by using this delta y. So delta y is equal to y finish minus y starting, that is 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. So delta y is equal to 5. Now we have to find out the value of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. So we have a formula that theta j is equal to delta of theta divided by delta of x into x of j minus x of starting plus theta of starting. We have a formula that theta of j is equal to delta theta divided by delta x into xj minus xs plus theta s. So for j is equal to 1. For j is equal to 1, theta 1 is equal to, what is the value of delta theta? Delta theta is equal to 90. So 90 divided by delta x. Delta x, what is the value of delta x? Delta x means delta finish minus delta starting, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So delta x is equal to 3 into delta xj. Xj means value of x at 1, j is equal to 1 means xj means x1. So x1 is equal to 1.2. So it is 1.2 minus x starting is equal to 1 plus theta starting. Theta starting is 30 degree, so it is 30. So 30, 90 divided by 30 is equal to 30 into 1.2 minus 1, that is equal to 0.2 plus 30. So it is 6 plus 30, that is equal to 36 degrees. Theta 1 is equal to 36 degree. So now theta 2, J is equal to 2. Theta 2 is equal to delta theta divided by delta x into x2 minus x starting plus theta starting. Delta theta is equal to 90. Delta x is equal to 3. So x2 is equal to 2.5. So 2.5 minus x starting is 1 plus 30. So 30 into 1.5 minus 2.5 minus 1, that is equal to 1.5 plus 30. So 1.45 plus 30, 75. So theta 2 is equal to 75 degree. Now we have to find out the theta 3. So theta 3 is equal to delta theta divided by delta x into x3 minus x3 minus x starting plus theta starting. So 90 divided by 3 into x3 is equal to 3.8. 3.8 minus 1 plus 30. So it is equal to 30 into 2.8 plus 30. Theta 3 is equal to 114. So these are the value of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. So we will write here theta 1, what is the value of theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. So theta 1 is equal to 36 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree and theta 3 is equal to 114 degree. So these are the value of theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3. Now we have to find out the value of phi. So formula for phi, that is equal to phi j is equal to delta of phi upon delta of y into y of j minus y of starting plus phi of starting. Okay. So for j is equal to 1, phi of 1 is equal to delta phi. Delta phi is given that 90 degree. Delta of y is equal to 7 into y of j. So y of 1 is equal to 1.314 minus y of starting is equal to 1. So y of starting is equal to 1 plus delta of phi of starting is equal to 0. So 0. So it is equal to 90 divided by 7 into 0.314. If we solve this, so we will get phi 1 is equal to 4.037. Phi 1 is equal to 4.037 degree. Now phi 2 is equal to delta of phi divided by delta of y into y of 2 minus y of starting. This phi s is equal to 0, so no need to write this. So delta of phi 90 divided divided by 7 into y2. y2 is equal to 3.9527. 3.9527 minus 1. So it is equal to So it is equal to 37.96. 37.9645. So this is equal to 5. Now phi 3 is equal. Phi 3 is equal to delta of phi divided by delta of y into y of 3 minus y of s. So it is 90 divided by 7. Y of 3 is equal to 7.40 7.408 minus 1. So if we solve this, we will get 82.38 82.3821. So it is equal to 5. So these are the value of phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. So what is they ask? Find out the value of x, y, theta and phi corresponding three physical points. Is they ask x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 and phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. So we have find out here all the values. So we will write here x1 is equal to 1.2, x2 is equal to 2.5 and x3 is equal to 3.8, y1 is equal to 1.314, y2 is equal to 3.9524 28 and y3 is equal to 7.408. Similarly, theta 1 is equal to 36 degree, theta 2 is equal to 75 degree and theta 3 is equal to 114 degree and phi 1 is equal to 4.037 degree, phi 2 is equal to 37.9645 degree and theta phi 3 is equal to 82.382 degree. So these are the values. So how to check these values are correct or not? See, the range of x is 1 to 4. The range of x is this starting of x is 1 and finish of the x is 4. And all the values of x, that is x1, x2, x3 is lies between 1 to 4. The value of x1, x2, x3, if these values are less than 1 or greater than 4, then our values are wrong. But here these values are lies in between 1 to 4, so this is our correct. So now how to check the values of y is correct? The range of y is from 1 to 8 and all the values of y, that is y1, y2, y3 are lies between 1 to 8. So this is also correct. Now how to check the values of theta is correct or not? So theta, value of theta starting is 30 and delta theta is 90. Means 30 plus 90 is 120. Means range of theta is between 30 to 120 and all the values of theta, that is theta 1, theta 2, theta is lies between 30 to 120. It is not less than 30 or greater than 120. Similarly, the value of phi, the range of phi is 0 to 90 and all the values of phi, that is phi 1, phi 2, phi 3 are lie between 0 to 90. So the values we have find out are all the correct. Okay. So this is the overall solution of this numerical, which is based on Chebychev spacing.